There is a terrifying scenario that could wipe out the American Southwest in a matter of hours. If the massive Hoover Dam suddenly collapsed, trillions of gallons of water would violently rush down the river. An unstoppable tsunami of concrete and water would instantly obliterate everything in its path. Entire cities and towns downstream would be completely submerged and swept away like little toys. The destruction wouldn't just be from the water, because millions of people would instantly lose their power and drinking supply. The economic and environmental devastation would permanently change the map of North America. It is one of the most catastrophic engineering failures imaginable, which is exactly why